That is, some of you are so least bothered. I have sent a mail. Out of that, only one person has replied. That is assignment. Those who have not sent the assignment, just see. I think you can able to see my screen now. So this is the portal what I get, and the marks will be here, which I'll not be. I think I'll not show. Don't worry about this. Those who are missing, just see. Abhishek, is he there today? Abhishek. Abhishek BB, I don't know. Probably if you don't reply, I will not be sending the question paper. That I have the liberty. I will not send the question paper, nor you can able to upload, because you will be debarred from that question paper attending. Hello? Yeah. Madam, I am in the class. Can you please call after some time, please? Oh, thank you, thank you. So I was just mentioning, so you are totally least bothered. Okay, so I will not be sending you, allowing you to the RPR for this thing, because I don't know whether you are regular in the attending the class or something. Like only Kulkarni, who is that? Pranav Kulkarni has sent me mail yesterday saying that he has some problem. Okay, I will permit Pranav. And Abhishek, still Abhishek BB, Adarsh RM. Of course, Amog is not with us. His name has also, I have not removed, I told. So Adarsh RM, okay, who has not replied. I have sent a mail. Why give the justification why you have not submitted assignment? Okay, then Arun Kumar Hosmani, I don't know where he is. Vinayak Bhosle, Sangmesh B, and then this is, who is this? HM Nagaraj Lolo. Hello. I think somebody is chatting. I don't know who is that. One second. Abhishek Bajwad. Okay, who is this Nagaraj Lolo? HM Nagaraj Lolo. Otherwise, I'll remove him. Who is this Nagaraj? Hello. Please chat Nagaraj Nag HM Nagaraj Lolo. I will remove him. Don't keep this fancy name. I told Lolo. Is it a surname or what is this? I don't understand. I will be removing him. Uh, so I think Suraj, he has sent one this thing. One second. Suraj, that is in IA, should we write questions and answers, only answers? No need of writing. Okay, no need of writing questions in the IA. Okay, write the question marks alone. Question mark 1, question mark 2, we will understand. Clear, Suraj? 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 Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
fine,
sir.
fine.
It's
Okay.
clear.
Who is that Nagaraj? Is he there? Anybody knows him? HM Nagaraj Lolo.
No, sir. He is not our class.
Okay, then I'll just knock him out. Okay, I'll just do it now only. Nagaraj Lolo. I can able to do that. Okay, that control I have actually. So I'll just knock him. Nagaraj Lolo. Okay, I'll just do that. I don't know. I'll do that later. Okay, that pin the people I have to go, and then one second. I'll just show that. Okay, every control I have that. Every control I have. So Nagaraj, PQR, N, J, Kundgol, Naveen, Nichal, Onkar, Mallikarjun, MD, Neeraj Waddar. I think I have removed probably. Nagaraj. H, no, that is H, it will come. H Nagaraj Lolo. So I'll be deleting him. So if he's there, let him this thing. Okay. So actions. Okay. Remove. So H Nagaraj Lolo, remove. So I have removed him. Okay, so this I can have the facility only to those who will be able, who can able to get the question paper, can only submit the answer. Others I wait for. Okay, I'll just show who all have not submitted. Okay, classwork. Okay, so this is gear drive, so it is proper actually, except that Deshpande, I think he's no more with us. Amog. So that Kulkarni Pranav, I have got the mail. I will permit you. Adarsh, Abhishek, Arun Kumar, Hosmani, Vinayak Bhosle, Sangmesh, and then I think this I have removed here, so it has not updated. It will take some time. Okay, Nagaraj I have removed. Okay, fine. So we will continue with that. If there are no query, please do submit that. Okay, please do submit. And Suraj, no need of writing the questions in the IA. Only answers are expected. Okay, so we will continue with that.
Okay,
So
sir.
I think, yeah, this is where we were in the last. 1 second. Sorry. Yeah, this is where we were. I think 1 second. So this is where we were in the last class. So that is, if you take that 185 MPa for the sigma D value, you noticed that the module has come 8 millimeter, okay, and the induced stress has come 70.75, which is less than 85 megapascal, okay. If you taken that sigma D 220 also, it would have been come induced equal to same, so you could have continued. Okay, next is going to be the gear forces you are supposed to find out, that is Ft, okay, Fr, and then Fa. Fr is radial, Ft is the tangential, Fa is the axial. Okay, so I'll just continue with that. So please note down, you have one more equation. Please all of you calculate. I'll just write here for Ft, page number 214. Okay, 1 second, page number 214. Okay, I'll just draw here. So PP 214. Okay, equation number 12.24a. What is that? 1 second. 12.24a. 12.24a. So I'll just write that Ft equal to, please see all of you, sigma d cv by m. Okay, I will use that. That is sigma d by mn whole divided by cw. Okay, 1 second, I'll scroll down. I'll just scroll down. I'll cw divided by cw divided by cw. So you calculate this, all of you. So what you do, you take 85 only. Okay, unnecessarily don't take that, because you have to refer that helical gear material only, 85 megapascal. And b and all, you just substitute b. How much you have taken? 15, no? 15, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, phi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what is y? Mn is 8 millimeter, and this is 1.35. Okay, what is y? Capital Y. What is capital?
0.27.
Total 0.27. Okay, so what is the value? Anybody? I don't have the answer. You have to tell me. Ft. And somebody should give the comment what this Ft is. Please do that calculation quickly. Anybody? Hello?
775.95.
Pardon?
775.95.
One sec. 775.95
Newton.
Newton. Please, others, you also check whether you got this. 775.95 Newton, he is telling. Anybody else got same value? Please
805.8, sir.
see again, 805.8.
8.
Please check this. Please check what K value you have taken. Sorry, not K. I think B value is K into Mn. Okay. Okay. So for, I think for your, this is K value. I think I did a mistake. Probably somebody, he might have substituted this directly B. So this is actually K. Okay. B equal to K into Mn. So this, how much you get, that you have to substitute here. Okay, I'll just divert this. So this you have to substitute. So this is going to be key K value actually. I did a mistake. Probably he might have substituted that B equal K equal to B by Mn, or B equal to K into Mn. So which one you will get? Any third person, please, or person who has calculated first value, cross verify and let me know quickly. Don't waste time. please. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello.
So 16,231 I am getting.
Pardon?
16,231.
All different values. 16,231. Point.
Even I am getting 330, 320, sir.
Which 320?
16,320.
16,320 Newton, huh?
Yes, sir.
Newton, no? Okay. So anybody else? See, so indifferent. This shows your lack of practice. Okay. Lack of practice. Just check. Yeah, please. Please.
16,320, sir.
It is correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Those who are told in the beginning this and this other one, so please check this and this. I think this and this. Okay, so these are wrong. Huh? So I think I don't know others. Please do that. Keep your calculator and then again headphone. You just this one put your headphone and then listen my words carefully and then try to do. Otherwise, it is not possible. It is going to be tutorial session actually today. So is it correct? Is it correct? One more person, you have to endorse. One more person quickly endorse this. Hello. Am I audible? Rohan Rangoli is there today. Rohan Rangoli. Please chat. If you are not able to hear, please chat quickly. It is already 30 minutes. Please chat. Please chat. Hello. Am I audible?
Audible, sir.
Yeah, please. Why you are not answering then when I am just screaming here this side? Why you are not able to answer my this thing? Are you not interested? Are you not interested? All of you. There are some 40 plus guys. I think hardly one person is. 41 people are there. Are you? Yeah, please. What is the answer? Tell me. Please tell me what is the answer.
16,320.
Correct? This is correct? So we will go according to this. I will write here Ft equal to 16.32 kilonewton. I'll write. Okay, I'll write kilonewton because 16,000 divided by 1000, it is 16.32 kilonewton. So now you have to tell me, is it the actual the force, the tangential force coming on the gear, or is it the strength, tangential strength of the gear? I repeat, is it the actual tangential force coming on the gear, or is it the tangential strength of the gear? Tangential force strength. Okay, strength of the force. Okay, tangential strength force of the gear, or is it exactly acting on the gear? Somebody has to tell quickly. You understood my question? You know what is the strength and what is that force coming? Do you have any this thing? Hello, please interact here. Otherwise, I will go mad and session will be of no use actually. Are you able to listen to me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell then why you are not this thing. What is that? Is it a strength or that actual exact tangential force coming on the gear?
Force, sir.
It is force only, I know, but is it a strength, that force strength, or exact force that is coming on the gear? I think people are leaving or people are coming, I don't know. Sujay. Yeah, please, can you able
Sir,
to?
it is strength, sir.
Strength. I think who is this told
Yes, sir.
strength? Who is this strength told?
Naveen, sir.
Huh?
Naveen, sir.
Mobile, huh?
Naveen, sir.
Naveen Hugar.
Naveen, sir, Naveen.
Naveen Hugar, no? Naveen Hugar, right? Naveen Hugar, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Naveen, you are right. It is a strength. Why it is strength? Because remember, we have taken here sigma d. Okay, we have taken sigma d over here. That is why it is a strength. Strength means what? Strength means what? It is the ability to withstand. So I'll just give you a classical example. Okay, listen carefully. So these are all very important, and you should analyze. Other, if you don't analyze, again, it is simply waste of time. So suppose say a weightlifter is there, one weightlifter is there. Okay, so one weightlifter is there. Okay, he can lift the weight. Okay, some 100 kg.
Voice is breaking, sir.
One second, one second. Yeah, 1 second. Just hold on. I think I'll relog in. Hope it's now clear. Darshan, voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So just listen. The strength means what I was just mentioning. What is meant by strength actually? Okay. So a weightlifter will be there in the Olympics who will be lifting 100 kg initially. You might have seen after every trial they go on increasing the weight, and this person, suppose say he can able to lift some 210 kg. That is the maximum weight what he can lift. Beyond that he can't lift. Probably you might have seen they can't able to raise this weight. After some time they keep on changing this weight. Okay, they go on adding. Changing means they go on adding the weights, and a certain level you can notice that this is the last attempt what he has done, 210 kg. When they have put a 215 or 212, okay, he can't able to this thing. So what is this? It is his strength. It is his strength. So that is his strength is he can able to raise 210 kg, and below that whatever may be the weight he can able to lift without any problem. That means 50 kg, 100 kg, 150 kg, 175 kg, 180 kg, 190 kg, 200, 205, and 210. So what are these actually? These are all different weights what he can able to raise. Okay, similarly in gear actually, that is the what is that whatever that 16 kilonewton has come, no 16, no Darshan, what is that ft you got, Darshan?
16.32,
Sir.
sir.
16.3 kilonewton. Okay, this is actually strength. Okay, this is strength of gear. That is actually tangential strength of the gear. That is not the exact force coming on the this thing. Okay, so here I think I'll go back. His strength is 210 kg, means all the time do we expect that this person is carrying all the time 210 kg? It is not actually. He is not carrying all the time 210 kg. He will be carrying less than that. That is the maximum capacity what he can lift. Similarly, so the maximum capacity of the gear depending upon the strength of the material, gear material, is 16.3. What does that means? That gear is capable of taking the tangential load or force up to 16.3 kilonewton. Then what is the load coming on that? Naveen, can you tell what is the exact load coming on the gear? How we can calculate, Naveen? Naveen has told that is this thing. Naveen, can you tell, or Darshan? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you tell how to calculate exact force? How to calculate? This is a strength actually, but it is not the force all the time.
Your voice is not audible, sir.
Not audible, sir.
Able to tell? Can you able to tell that?
By substituting induced structure.
Pardon?
By substituting induced structure.
Internal. How do you substitute? How
Induced structure.
induced, or in other words, or induced stress may not be substituted. That is much complicated. In other words, I think there is one more you have forgotten. I think it's a good attempt you have done. Who is this? I appreciate, but that is not the method. That is not the method. You know what is the torque? Mt equal to, okay, what is that? Mt equal to Ft into d by 2. Do you remember? Ft into that torque equal to force, tangential force into half of the diameter. Do you remember this? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Huh?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so actually you may get some confusion also. I'll just make you confused first, because in spur gears the teeth were something like this. Teeth were something like this. This is circular. Just try to visualize.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Again breaking. What to do, Baba? 1 second. 1 second. I don't know what happened. I'll just re-log in. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Now it's
Yes,
okay.
sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. So just to see, in spur gears, actually you had taken 1 second. 1 second. You had taken this. Okay, you had taken this Ft. Okay, this is Ft you have, but you have a torque actually. So torque, how? Power equal to 2 pi nt divided by that. So this is actually the distance is from the center. Okay, so that is half of the diameter that you have taken. Torque is what? Basically force into the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular means, so this whatever radius is there, that this is in spur gears. But helical gears, if you just look into that, helical gears, they are helical in manner. Just look into that. Your page number, all of you please open your page number. I'll tell that page number. Page number 213. All of you please open. All of you please open page 213. 213, figure 12.8. Figure 12.8. So I'll just show that. I think others may comment. This is Ft. Okay, and this is Fn. So this is Fn. Okay, this is Fn, and you have Fa axial. So this is Fa. Can you able to visualize? Can you able to visualize? This is the teeth actually, helical teeth. Can you just see there? Hello? Please, one of you say yes or no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine. So now this is Ft is actually when you, I think somebody is logging in. 1 second. I'll just permit him. I don't know. Or left, I don't know. Darshan, I think. Darshan, any problem with you? Darshan is re-login all the time. Okay, anyway. So just look into that. You may get confusion since the tangential force is not perpendicular to the tooth. How can we take this D? You may say like that. Are you getting what I'm telling? So this Ft is not in a spur gear, it was perpendicular actually, but here it is not perpendicular, it is making some inclination here. But again, I told, use this particular expression Mt equal to Ft into d by 2. Actually, if you just see the point of contact, okay, point of contact, if you consider for at the point of contact, you can take the radius, you can take the instantaneous radius, that is d by 2, instantaneous radius d by 2, and consider this expression Mt equal to Ft into d by 2, and this is going to be the exact Ft, that is for this particular power, for this particular torque, you have this particular Ft, which is exactly the force coming on the gear, and not the one which you have calculated using that above Lewis equation. Because above Lewis equation, it is the strength actually. Strength means maximum, that is strength of that particular gear to withstand the tangential force. But exact Ft coming with respect to the power that is to be transmitted is, you have to calculate this particular Ft and then calculate this Ft. Further, you refer page number 212. 212. You calculate Fa in terms of Ft, tan beta, and Fr. I think Fa once you Ft once you calculate, Fa you can calculate by equation number that figure 12.7b. Okay, you just look into that page 212, and again Fr you can calculate, and again you can complete all the gear forces. Can you able to do? Can you able to do that? So with this, I think I have completed whatever I have told. And one particular problem, I'll just give it as an assignment for you. So what you do, you continue the same problem, whatever is given over here, for further calculation of a dynamic force, and then endure for dynamic and fs and wear. Okay, the same problem. Can you able to do, or shall we do that? I think it is 12 11 12. Okay, shall we do that, or shall we stop? Hello, hello, Ganesh, Darshan,
We
Darshan.
will try, sir.
Okay, now have you understood which ft has to be taken here?
Yes, sir. The second one.
Yeah, that ft, from the torque you have to find out that ft. That ft you use it in the equations given in the figure 12.7, page 212, to calculate fr and fa. Okay, so that is how you should able to. Don't substitute the one which is given in the Lewis equation by expression number. Where is that expression number? I told something, I told, 12.24. Okay, the 12.24a. Don't use this to calculate ft, because in this expression there is a strength sigma d. So the strength means it is not the exact force coming on the gear, it is the strength. Actually, strength means that I have explained, that taking one example of this weightlifter. Okay, so that is a strength means all the time he will not be carrying a 210 kg, he will be carrying less than that. So similarly, for the given power, so that ft is going to be from this. Anybody can able to tell what is ft? We will complete with that. I think Darshan, can you able to tell Baba what is ft using the torque expression? What is ft? So ft is, what is that? mt equal to this, that is 2 times mt divided by d1. So this you have to, yeah,
So 5.33 kilonewton.
5.33. Just to check. So earlier how much it was? It was 16 actually. Okay, so it is a strength is 16. Okay, 16 kilonewton is the strength of that. So that means strength means a tangential force you can apply up to 16.3 kilonewton for that particular material gear. But exact ft depending upon the power, it is coming 5. This check, I don't know. This you check, and again subsequently you use figure 12.7, find fa, and subsequently figure C 12.7c. A small triangular like figures are being given. Just look into that and then find that. So that ends the particular problem. And further, you can able to find out with the same problem the wear load and then the dynamic load. So procedure is same. Procedure is same. So you can able to do that. I think who is this? 1 second. 1 second, just hold on. I think Jagannath is now coming. I think somebody has chatted. Anyway, I have allowed that Jagannath sir. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Somebody has chatted. What is that chat? Somebody has chatted. What is Darshan? Voice is breaking. Anybody? Okay, I think Jagannath left and then rejoined. Okay, so I think any other questions? If there are no questions, we will stop here. Sorry, I have taken much of the time, because I have elaborately this thing told how to do that. This thing, again Monday, again I have the class. It is for doubts. Please do that, and from Monday onwards, all your videos you can't access. I will disable them. Whatever you want to study within that. Put up some time slot and study. Any doubt, any query, I am available all the time. Clear? Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
I think I told again, so no need of writing questions in the answer booklet of IA. So it is your own sheets. Provide proper margin, write your name, USN, subject, date in all the pages, and page number 1, 2, 3. Scan them properly. Adobe Scanner is a free app we can download, but only you have to register. It is a free non-Chinese app, and you can able to do it properly. Okay, so with this I'll just stop recording and then stop the session also. Any query, any questions regarding assignment, you can get back to me. Okay, you can get back to me. And I have told assignment, those who have not